Pad Thai is one of those iconic Thai dishes, and it's a dish that really means a lot to me. It's something my mum's been making for me since I was a very little girl, and even just the smell of it sort of stir frying on the stove is something that I just love. So if we go back to what Pad Thai actually is, so Pad means to stir fry in Thai, and so it simply means Thai stir fry. And now we get to the stir frying part. So with the protein, if you're doing chicken or pork, it's important that the meat is sliced really thin because we want to cook that really quickly in the wok. And this dish should really be more about the noodles than it is about the protein. And then I'm going to add in some dried shrimp. So the dried shrimp flavour is quite traditional here in Thailand. And then I'm also using some tofu as well. So generally we would use a protein and tofu for this dish, and then we just want to mix everything around until that chicken is cooked. Now for the egg, we just push everything aside in the pan and then pour that egg in around that space there and just sort of smush the egg around, spread it out until you get a nice sort of firm omelette. And I like to get a little bit of colour on my egg, so now that it's got that beautiful brown colour, I'm going to move that through, use a spatula to work it through the rest of the ingredients. Here comes the noodles, and finally my Pad Thai sauce. And can I tell you, I'm so proud of this sauce. I love that it has that kick of fish sauce and tamarind, and it also includes the garlic chives and pickled radish as well, which is another very traditional ingredient. So this is a traditional sauce. It's out there, it's pungent, but it's what I love. And I actually include this garlic chive ingredient in my sauce because I know that it's hard for you guys to find it outside of Thailand. But I'm going to add in some extra fresh ones today. I'm going to serve up my Pad Thai today in a very traditional style, so out on a plate, and then you also want some chopped peanuts, a little spoonful of chili powder on the side so that you can add in some extra spice if you like. I'm going to put some spring onion there and some lime as well. And there you go, that's my Marion's Kitchen Pad Thai, straight from my mother's recipe.